Hello dear children. Today's story is The Three Kittens. It is written and illustrated by V. Sutyev. Publishers Eklavya Publication. The Three Kittens. Three little kittens, a black one, a grey one, and a white one. They saw a mouse and dashed after it. The mouse jumped into a bin of flour. The kittens went right in after it, but the mouse ran away. Then three white kittens climbed out of the flour bin. Do you know how did they become white? Yes, they were all coated with white flour. Three white kittens saw a frog in the yard and chased after it. The frog jumped into an old stovepipe. The kittens went right in after it. The frog hopped away. Then three black kittens crawled out of the stovepipe. How did they become black? Because they entered the stovepipe, which was all covered with grease and dirt. Three black kittens saw a fish in the pond and went right in after it. The fish swam away. Then three wet kittens came out of the pond and set out for home. You know, children, they were now tired and exhausted. The three kittens, one black, one grey, and one white. The end. I hope, children, you all enjoyed this small little funny story. If you did, do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, like and share the story. We'll be back with another story soon. Until then, bye-bye.